Hi, it's Gamer Nerd 7763 back again, and we're doing the explosive only challenge. So we're only using towers that can explode. We both
Not the
get
towers.
both get a hero, 2 monkeys, and banana farms because this is a very expensive challenge. So my hero's Churchill. I'm going Spike Factory
Your hero's not Churchill. Your hero is Striker.
My hero's Striker and
Big brain.
and my monkeys are Spike Factory going top route, which will give me Spike Mines, and Ninja Monkey going bottom route, which is Master Bomber, and Jamie has Churchill.
Yeah, I have Churchill, and I have Preemptive Strike and Sarbomba.
And thank you for subscribing. You really helped us out, and we appreciate it. So let's begin the challenge. Okay. What? We didn't hear you, Jamie.
Let's become sellouts at young ages.
No.
I can't afford my hero. You could. Nope, I still can't. Send me all your money. You gotta be kidding me. You look at my subs. You look at my subs range, and then look at your Striker Jones shots.
It's like right outside the blind spot, literally. Aw, didn't you get? How'd you get advanced intel and ruin it all? Okay,
It doesn't work anyways. Advanced intel is broken.
Does.
I gotta get them in the bottom right. Look, it's not shooting them until they get in range.
No, it's not. Oh wait, yes it is.
That's because they're so close already. You can't use binoculars to see something 5 feet in front of you.
Okay, then sell them and put them in the bottom. I don't care.
Just get another one.
Well, you could have just put him to twin guns. You could sell him and get him that one twin guns, because he's more.
That guy can't have twin guns.
Yeah, he can. I said that's why I said sell him and get him twin guns, because he's more useless like that than if he.
Useless.
Yes, he is, because he's shooting one time and he can only shoot right in front of him. He's more useless like
But then he
that.
can shoot it all across the map besides that spot. Yeah, I guess you're right.
Yeah, you might as well just get one down
Except
there.
for that
or
one
get your
gigantic
twin.
curve that's literally 3 turns. I think Striker's struggling.
Nah, he's fine, because you're right there. Okay, you should navigate him to advanced intel.
I don't have enough money.
I know, so that's what I'm saying. Save up. Okay.
Then we're gonna need Churchill. Because we need heroes that fast.
Yeah, I'm about to get a banana farm, actually. I'm not worried about Churchill, because both of us have towers.
That's true.
I'm not going to do anything for a while, because, like, well, Churchill's going with the
Don't
stick.
worry about the...
It's not Churchill.
No,
Striker
we need
Jones.
camos, we need camos, we need camos.
Not yet. You don't.
Striker doesn't become it until round 6. So just plop down a Spike Factory.
No, bro. Like, I can just... Wait, when does the first blacks come in?
Oh, we're not worried about blacks because I've got my heat tipped. They're not ballistic missiles yet.
Okay. So I'm just gonna put that down with...
How much support you with farms? My towers are 34,000 and... Yeah, sub is... No, 27,200. And then SAR is 26.
More money. More money.
I love banana farms, bro. They basically pay you back in like 2 rounds.
Yeah, but the farms are like so worth it because everything you paid for just get back in like half a second. So
I'm going to maximize space for banana farms.
what with the setup I normally do, I can get 3, 4, 5, 6. I can get 6 max normally for me.
If you're good, you can have your farmer hitting 9. Or at least 8 for my spot.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Your farmer can hit 8 farms at once, 8 or 9.
How do you know this?
I'm big brain. You don't understand. I do listen sometimes.
I don't think you do. So I might have miscalculated the position of my farmer because I can't. I put him
underneath him.
Yeah, I can't put it underneath him. He's just a little bit too low. So this time it's just gonna be a little less productive than normal.
You're ready to use Striker's ability on whatever the round is. I'm kind of scared for the Moab, but then again, not really.
I don't care at all about the Moab.
Are my towers again? Oh yes, sorry. Might as well get a bomber leaf. This is Wing Monkey.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking. I knew the ability. I just my brain wasn't working.
What's better for the Sarbomba, top or bottom?
Well, he'll be useless for DDTs, and like since you already have Wing Monkey, you don't really need to go the bottom path. It's like you're not getting never miss targeting. You're only getting sharper darts, but like we really don't need him for his darts. We need him for his bombs.
That's true. I think faster darts is making him drop bombs faster as well.
Jamie, I might have finessed it just in a way where I can still fit 6. Think right. Oh, shit. There you go. I used his ability.
Look at that farm spacing.
I know. It's disgusting.
No, look at mine. Look at mine. Look at mine.
Yours is just perfect. But like, look at that. I somehow fit it.
Oh my, let me see that farmer's range.
Jamie, look at my farm.
Try upper left. Try the upper left.
No,
You might miss a few.
I don't need that. I don't need that many.
I need 7 for one farmer.
6 is the max, really. That you need.
Is it though?
It's not the max you can have. It's the max that you need. You honestly don't even need 6. You could have less, to be honest. I'd say, yeah, sure. Okay, got him counter espionage and flash bomb.
Oh my god, it did.
Okay, and then now I'm gonna put down you there. Oh, so Jamie, you're only allowed to spam 1 tower. Just to let you know, you can't spam both of these towers.
I'm not spamming turbo. I'm not supposed to do that.
I don't even think you need to spam towers. We're doing amazing.
How disrespectful am I? I literally just upgraded my second farm before my first.
What's the level of this one? See what, Jamie? You're doing the wrong strat. You should completely cover him before.
But then you'll have more money.
What? No, you get more money if you completely cover him first. It's more effective.
Don't question this.
Just sold the phone. Okay, buddy.
I think I have an idea. That doesn't work.
Yeah, that would not work.
Didn't mean to do that.
So once I get all my plantations, I'm gonna get spiked mines.
Well, screw this.
Dude, Jamie, you don't even understand how broken super mines really are. Cause, so...
No, I know.
No, you don't know. There's a strat. If you could find a way to slow down all the towers, and if you could increase the spike factory to its max potential of speed, it will start blowing. He would spawn so many spiked mines that they will start despawning. But when it despawns, they explode.
They blow up. I know.
Yeah, across the map though. That's the thing. It can pretty much hit anything from across the map when it blows up.
Both of my towers are ability based, so I'm kind of. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so stupid.
Striker Jones is ability based.
Look what I put down.
I'm not paying attention right now. Hold up. Shoot the guided shell to the north screen.
You're not noticing this big tank on my screen?
Oh yeah, Churchill. You just put him down right now. Oh no! I accidentally sold my Ninja Monkey. Mistakes have been made. There you go. It's all good now. He is officially a sticky bomb. So, Jamie, I think you should start working on, once you finish with your farms. I hate how you didn't finish upgrading before you got that. I hate how you did that. That's disgusting.
What you mean? I got a
research facility before you finish upgrading all of them. That's disgusting.
I did. I sold like 4 of them.
You disgust me, child. You decided to not to get plantations before you got facilities. That's disgusting. I know that's now you just got all plantations.
I already had all plantations, no, and then I sold them.
For oh my god. Too difficult to deal with.
Too big of a brain for you.
No, you're just too difficult. Why did you sell them multiple times? How about that question?
Pretty sure preemptive strike only hits 1 tower.
No. So preemptive strike is basically the better version of if you got Moab Eliminator for Monster. It's better than the final build because it does it automatically.
Preemptive strike is so goated.
I know.
It's basically.
Dude, no, literally, it's basically so Moab Eliminator on the bomb tower, the middle route. You get that, but it does it automatically. That's how much better that is. Stop selling your goddamn banana farm just to get a facility. Because you're wasting more money, because when you sell stuff, you get less money back. So you're actually being a big dump.
I don't know what you mean, cuz. Never left.
You see all these explosions on the... I just saw one spiked mine. It just had like, it had everything but one spike left. It literally was missing all its spikes except one. It was barely surviving. We're already on, Jamie, how surprised are you that we already passed the dreaded round 63?
Okay, shut up. Striker level 20 has literally like faster speed than full auto, I swear. It was a full auto RPG.
I don't think that's possible. Have you seen full auto sniper?
No, not elite defender. But full auto.
Dude, I'm saying, like, have you seen full auto? That's basically an AR on steroids. It's basically the drum gun.
We do not speak of this game.
No, drum gun's a real live gun. What are you talking about? Jamie? What are you talking about? You guys think Jamie's scared? Hit that like button. I'm recording this and volume's on. Okay, I'm just making sure. Because you guys don't know, we've recorded like 5 other videos that have gone well, but my mic was just muted. And I didn't notice, and so it was a failure.
Trial and error.
It's
round 70?
Yeah, it's only round 70. We don't have a single...
What do you mean it's only round 70? I thought it was like round 60 still.
No. Why? How do you think it's still round 60 when I told you about how the dreaded round 60...
blazed through this game.
Okay, I almost have enough to... I'm about to get my Master Bomber, and then I'm going to work on saving up for Super Mines, man. Super Mines are hecka expensive. You didn't have to give me your money. I have more farms than you, technically. We have equal farms, but mine does better than you.
We don't have equal farms.
We have equal farms. We both have 6 farms. However, my farms are doing better than yours.
By 1.
Yes, because who sold their farms over and over again just to get one facility?
Okay, it's a legit strat.
You want Jamie? Do you know why Master Bomber is better than Sticky Bomb?
What?
Because Master Bomber can throw his bombs across the whole map. It doesn't even have to be in range. Whereas Sticky Bomb, it has to be in range.
I really feel like farming in a second spot.
That would be very dumb and wasteful. Considering we're gonna do a second challenge after this.
Carlito. 17 banana farmers.
Like I said, you can save those for a lot of challenges instead of wasting them on one.
Did not mean to do that.
You have 23 grand.
What do you suppose I do with it?
You should get preemptive strike. Yep, there you go. Okay, perfect.
You're going for super mines, right?
Yeah. You don't have to give me money. I'll get it before round 90 for sure. How are you guys doing? Let me ask you, the viewers. How are you guys doing?
Comment down below what kind of week have you had.
My week has been pretty good.
Have you had that one week? That one week that no one likes. Where you just kind of woke up on the wrong side of bed.
Are you talking about Monday? The dreaded Monday?
No, not just the dreaded Monday. The Monday week. The week of where it just feels like Monday is constant.
I feel like that's like the worst time to be alive. Oh, wait, Jamie, you just got your final tier 5?
Yeah.
Oh, dang, Star Bomber. Okay. And I almost have enough for mine.
The heck is my hotkey for sub?
Jamie,
Where's X?
Which one do you think I'm gonna spam?
Like mine.
Bingo. Hey, Jamie, that's a lot of stuff. You're making an army. Oh god. BDTs? Oh, what are those?
Did we really shred them? Oh.
No. I'm just saying.
You really made me think it was around 90.
I'm just saying, like, when it gets to DDT round, we're gonna be like, what are those?
Why do I have 5 of them?
We crushed this out. This is honestly amazing. Like, this is probably the most successful challenge we have ever done. And it's like, in general. I say we try to go past.
You guys don't understand. We have done so many other challenges besides this. Some of them have just failed completely.
Some of them we just had to
but others we had to just completely get rid of it because Carlito forgets to unmute his mic.
Well, no, I suggested to redo the Arcade one, but you said no. So if you guys went to see a video where we do arcane, and then only have one Archmage and try to get to round 100, then hit that like button, man. Just hit the like button, comment down below. If we get 10 likes, then we'll do that. We'll just do an Archmage only challenge.
Crap, no. First mistake of the game.
What?
I actually made a submergent support, but I deleted it instantly. Oh my god!
So we need one there, obviously. Then I'm gonna put one.
I do not have enough.
There.
My 11 first strikes are not enough. Holy crap, there's missiles constantly coming down.
Oh no!
Look at them! Look at them all shooting at once.
Jamie, look what's on the path. I made mistakes were made.
How do you already have a spike for zero?
Oh yeah, I told you, man. I got it. It's called saving up.
Man's got money.
You know, I got that cash over.
Saving up, what is that?
Right there. Keep going down that whole path.
Carlito, what is saving up? Wait, why did spikes just fly across the screen?
I keep going down the wrong path because I do faster production first on accident.
I'm trying to use my first strikes.
You shouldn't. You might crash our game. You guys should go watch Jerome ASF. He does amazing BTD6 videos. But his most recent video, it was so funny because it got so laggy. They couldn't complete the challenge because the game literally crashed. It lagged so hard that the game crashed mid-game. And they just had to, that's where they stopped. Because it would have taken way too long to read the whole challenge. But Jerome ASF is such a good BTD6 player. He also does other stuff like
shout out to Jerome.
Like he's just an amazing
Hopefully
guy.
he sees this at some point.
That'd be like a dream come true.
Jerome, you're an absolute legend if you see this.
You're an epic gamer, Jerome.
I mean, you already are if you don't see this anyways.
Yeah, you're just an epic gamer, no matter what.
Honestly, if I'm being completely honest, he's what inspired us to start YouTube.
Yeah, bro, 100%.
That and Sunny.
Jamie, look at all the mines on the track. I literally pretty much covered the whole track with like 9.
What Moabs?
Oh wait, we're on round 97, guys. I didn't even realize it.
No, I don't have enough. Because we don't have any money. I must fill up this entire lake with nothing but cigarettes.
I looked down.
How long have you been in La La Land? How long have you been in La La Land and not noticed?
I just been busy playing sound stuff. I didn't even pay attention to look at what was happening.
I have 19. I have 20. And I need more.
Don't need more.
Please, Carlito, please. I must max out this lake.
That's
You
like
didn't
so
even
like
notice. That's the worst
I didn't
part.
notice because I was too busy putting down my stuff and I
You
just
just
looked
saw like
down.
maybe, you just saw like maybe 10. Now there's 30 of them. Not really 30, there's probably like 20, 23, 24. We won. We beat the challenge.
Oh, GG! Everyone, we won. We demolished the challenge, but let's keep going. Like, we should just see how far we go. We made it to round 100.
Let's go! I filled the
Let's
lake! I
go!
filled the
We're
lake!
the epic gamers we've always wanted to be. You guys gotta hit that like button. We made it to round 100. You guys gotta hit the like button.
You have to. It's a law.
Or I'll,
Or I will clip your toenails.
yeah, he'll clip your toenails. It'll be the scariest thing you'll ever be a part of.
It won't even just be clipped, they'll be like shaved.
Oh god. Yeah, you guys should definitely hit that like button. Even I'm scared. I'm just gonna put down more because like why the heck
Crap.
not?
I am like seriously dead out of money. I did not realize I could be this much out of, I have $300.
Well, there's this thing called selling your farm.
I sold one.
I'm pretty sure if you sold all of them, you
Let's go ahead and end this game real quick. Let's go ahead and end this round really quick.
Should have waited.
Should have waited?
Yeah,
for what?
I don't know. Look at how much mines are on the track. Do we need more?
I'm still sending them. I'm still sending them. I'm finally getting my cooldown time done. Do we need more? Yes, absolutely.
Yes, no. Do we need more? No. Do we want more? 1,000% yes.
Carlito, I need more.
You do not need more. Where are you gonna put more?
I will put down lakes.
Don't.
I have 0. Never mind. I'm broke.
Exactly. And you're broke.
Actually, I have $300. I could probably afford it. Actually, how cheap is it? Oh, 50. Never mind. My standards are too high. 50 is too much.
Yeah.
Ow, my ears.
Damn.
Burn. No.
Look at all the mines on the track, guys. Like, this is what happens when me and Jamie are like.
Take a moment to appreciate me, huh?
This is what happens when me and Jamie's like, let's do a challenge where we just like.
I wonder what happens if I put 30 first strikes.
I wonder what happens if I put mines with skulls on them all over the map. This is what happens when we create.
I wonder if I launch 30 missiles at once.
Please don't.
This may look like.
No, Jamie,
God.
you actually might crash the game. Chill out. Chill out.
Okay, I only said half of them.
Yeah, chill out.
I'm definitely gonna first strike for you on you though. There's a lot more than I thought.
Wait. Save your money and let's upgrade our heroes to max.
That's a lot of money.
I know, but like we're rich.
What level is Churchill? 18? Are you kidding me? My Churchill is 12.
Churchill's 12. Mine is not far. Bam, he's level 19. Oh my god.
Carlito, I don't have this kind of money. How much did each of these sell for? 10,000.
Yeah, so you can get 60 grand.
60. Is that it?
Yeah, if they sell for 10,000 and you round it, it's 60. Bam,
if they sell for 10,000 each, Carlito?
Yeah. You have 6.
No, I'm talking about my subs. My subs.
Oh, your subs. I thought you were talking about your farm. Oh, no, you're super rich. My Churchill's max. Check out his. Yeah, that thing's a unit. He shoots way too fast for that.
I told you this dude is a full auto.
Dude, no. His ability recharges so fast.
I'm sorry, Carlito. I must fill all the ponds with first strikes.
What pond?
Before
There's
I
no
update
more
Churchill.
space.
I'm still not upgrading them all the way.
Jamie,
Yeah.
Jamie, stop
I
doing
didn't.
stuff.
I didn't. I didn't. I didn't do anything. I just bought one more.
You're
I
logging out.
didn't
You're
even
lagging
launch.
out. Oh no! Oh no, you're
We're
right.
good.
You're right.
We're
Stop.
good. We're good.
Stop.
We're good. We're good.
Don't
We're good.
use your abilities anymore.
Star Mamba.
Thanks. Thanks.
Instantly uses Star Mamba.
I
Well,
don't want.
guys, if we make it to round 150, I'll honestly not be very surprised. Because with this many subs, I don't think you can lose. Like, reinforced BFV, where you at?
That's round 200. That's very ambitious, Jamie.
I know. We could just have 2 hours of footage.
Dude, I'm not recording for that long, man. We're at 30 minutes already. I gotta cut some stuff out.
What? Oh no, Carlito.
Lagging out.
No! No!
No. Is it? I think it's because I spammed too many spiked mines. Jamie? Did my Wi-Fi go out?
Are you back? Are you back?
No.
Are you back?
No.
Carlito? Carlito, are you back?
Jamie.
Carlito, speak to me.
Jamie.
Speak to me. Yeah!
Jamie,
We're
I'm not
alive.
back.
The run is still going.
I got
Carlito.
disconnected. Jamie, I got disconnected.
Don't worry, Carlito. I'm deleting the BAD.
Okay, guys, that's all. We'll see you next time on Bloons Tower Defense 6. Or maybe something different.
Wait, guys. At the very end of the video, make sure to hit that like button, first of all.
Oh, yeah.
But second of all, I will tell you what round we actually got to.
What? I'm not recording for that long, JB.
No, you won't, but like at the very end. Just like start recording again.
Okay. So, we'll see you guys later. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that like button on your way out. And hope you enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys later.
The missiles launching up is so
Gamer
nice.
Nerds Unite!